Hi everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have my last unboxing of the year and my last Blitsy haul of 2018. I got these items about I think 2 or 3 weeks ago. I just gotten busy because I was entertaining my sister who was visiting for the first time from Ohio. She was here for about a week. But anyway, I just want to show you what I got. I just want to say also that this is in no way sponsored by Blitsy. Oftentimes when I go there, I buy them with my own money. Well, actually, always. So, without further ado, and some of the items here you will see are for holidays or holiday theme. This is the one that I'm really excited about, and I'm going to open this up later. So I purchased these Simple Stories bits and pieces. There are 45 pieces here. And these are die cuts, and these are the Merry and Bright bits and pieces die cuts, and the item number is WBL267811. So I'm going to be trying my best to link it down below if they're still available, but I am also going to put in the subtitles the SKU or SKU numbers. So let me just show you what they are. These are the decorations. And again, like I said, these are the Merry and Bright bits and pieces. So these are more holiday themed. So there's the Merry Christmas sign here. Fa la 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 la. So they are small items, really small die cuts. Be Jolly. And then Hello December. Merry and Bright. And I think some of them are repeated. Now you may wonder why I'm buying them, because they were on sale. Okay, they were on sale and they may be discontinued, and I can use them for next year for my paper crafting. And actually I could still use some of them because it's still winter, and I can decorate my journals with them. You can use actually some of this. And this is Holiday Cheer. Oh, I like this one. Look at this in a jar, right? Beautiful, so cute. And then this one is Mistletoe Tree Farm. And this one, I'm still trying to finish up my 2018 December journal, and I also use die cuts as well, so this one will be good for putting notes. Also, if you have traveler's notebooks or journals, they'll be good. So this one is specific to the holiday, but actually the word Merry is not just for the holidays, right? Oh, look at that. Buffalo check sweater with a tree in the middle. And here's the famous red truck. And some more items here. A coffee mug. Happy holidays. Again, like I said, you can use this next year. Oh, if you can hear that, that's strong winds we have here. So this is a snowman. Noel. Ho, ho, ho. Sleigh rides 50 cents. Tis the season. This is also the Northern Pines, another red truck, and station wagon. And yeah, this is a poinsettia. Next are 48 pieces in a pack, Simple Vintage Christmas, and the SKU number is WBL268443. So yeah, so these are the card packs. Okay, so these are more vintage in style. There's a postcard here, and I think there are several, things here. And I'll just show you here how they look like. Those are the paper designs. I like the buffalo checks there and some gingham or checks. Oh, I like this, like a music notes. Yep, again, you can use it either for the rest of winter. Winter doesn't end till March 21st. Okay, so I think, yeah, that's when spring starts. And, it's still winter through that time. Still cold out there, and as you could hear, it's very windy. So this is the Merry and Bright by Carpe Diem. There are 3 15mm rolls here, and there are 50 feet total. Okay, so these are the washi tapes. Again, you can use this for the rest of the winter or for next season. And that's WBL267814. So that's the SKU number. Next is the Bow Bunny Christmas in the Village 12 by 12 combo sticker. So this is the Bow Bunny combo sticker sheet. So this is the brand Bow Bunny. And this is just one pad, but there are some card stickers here. See here? So pretty. And the SKU number on this one is WBLAM CR7310309. Okay, so just want to show you the designs. So you'll get kind of like a border or washi here, you know, some die cuts, tabs here. There's some pennants here, a couple, because they are like alternate here or reverse on the other side here. And there are houses, and there are joy to the world, be merry, peace, love, and joy, Christmas, winter, magical, holidays, wonderful, and so on and so forth. So again, beautiful paper pad stickers that are cardstock, so they're thicker than your regular stickers. And this is again by Bow Bunny. This is Ideology collage paper, 6 yards. And this is by Tim Holtz, and the SKU number is WBL546512. There are 6 yards here of this paper collage. Let me just show you this protection here, and this is how it looks like. So this is thin, okay, very thin, almost it's, I think, almost like vellum in texture, or yeah, in texture, but that's how it looks like. Okay, I would like to put this when I am doing a decoupage candle, because this is thin enough, and you can decoupage your candle that you can get at the Dollar Tree, the LED pillar candles, and I have a DIY on that I can insert here. Okay, so this one I already removed the shrink wrap so that it's easier for me to unbox, and I've already seen this, and online I was already in love with it, but then seeing it in person I was blown away. So this, as you can see, is large. Let me just show you. I still have them here nearby, the Websters pages that I unboxed. My Blitsy shopping haul, again, unboxed I think about a month ago, and this is the classic size of traveler's notebook. This is the pocket size traveler's notebook. Look at the sizes, the same style. So you can see here this buffalo checks. This is the pocket size traveler's notebook, and this is the classic size traveler's notebook. And this one is also buffalo checks, and this is a composition notebook cover. Let me just show you here. They have come up with this buffalo checks because they know that a lot of us are crazy about the buffalo check, especially the black and white. I like this one. It has a snap on enclosure, and then there's a couple of loops here, pen loops, and then there is a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket here where you can slip in your composition notebook. It came with this composition notebook. And you know what I'm thinking? I can buy at Walmart, or, you know, during back to school, even at Dollar Tree, very inexpensively, the composition notebooks. But I have a very beautiful cover, okay, even though my notebooks will be inexpensive or cheap. But I can just decorate the cover of the inexpensive composition notebooks just to make it more neater out here. But this one has a better quality paper. These are thicker, not like the ones you get at the Dollar Tree, which is almost see-through or thin. But this one is thick in consistency. I just don't know how many GSM it is. But I just want to show you the secretarial pockets here as well. See all these compartments? So one here, another one here, which is deeper. And then there are some slots here if you want to put in more, you know, maybe even a credit card or note cards or whatever, and then your identification there. Or what I do is I usually decorate this with a journaling card or Project Life card. But this one you can put some notes. This is geared towards probably a student, or if you attend meetings like I do, and I always find myself jotting down notes in a meeting. I like that my even inexpensive notebook can come in a very beautiful cover. This is a very good product, very durable in my opinion. I've collected Websters pages. I plan on using this for my channel when I do my whenever I have a design in mind or a video that I want to make. I always do a plan, and I'm going to be showing you what I do right now. This is my current traveler's notebook. It's by May Designs, and I got this at Target, and this was for the whole year 2018. And there are things that I want to show you, but I bought this list one, and it has this graphing paper. So this is where I do my sketch. I don't really draw well, but this is where I sketch the dress form, see those ideas, and then once I upload it, I put the number of the video number, and then also the date. So I just put here the materials I need. When I was building the red truck using ornaments, this is how I planned it, and this is the storage unit that I was working on and planning on. And see, my drawings aren't the neatest or the prettiest, but I find it very helpful. And this was my latest DIY, by the way. See, I aired it. I uploaded 12/19/2018. So it's very helpful to track things. And a lot of the things or my projects, I sketch them first, especially the DIY stuff, you know, the decorations and organizers. So I'm going to be using this. I think Webster's Pages on their site sells this in a dot grid form, so I probably would prefer that when drawing things, but I don't mind. This is a freebie that they included in the pack here, but I can also make my own, print my own dot pages. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using this for whenever an idea comes out, and I will be sketching it here. Okay, so I'm going to be linking here again, Blitsy, and you can find them there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments section. I really enjoy reading your comments and also responding to them. I want to say thank you again for your support this year, and I want to greet you all a very happy, peaceful, wonderful, and blessed New Year. Take care, everyone. Until my next video. Love you all. Bye-bye.